to the channel. I already wait for like 2 hours to sand the wood putty, and this is the results. You can hardly tell. It was fish. It was nice. I still gotta sand a little bit and put some more wood putty in some areas, but my main thing was the legs. And you can see, even with the close-up, it is amazing what wood putty does. Plastic wood putty. So when you messed up something, a project, cut the leg wrong, or it's crooked, or it's not square, don't throw it out, don't start over again, just fix it. It's fixable. So follow this video the best you can, and you'll get these results.